How many unpaired electrons are there in MnCN6 3 minus and MnCl6 3 minus? So we have manganese as the central metal atom in both the cases. Atomic number is 25. Its electronic configuration can be represented as argon, that is 18 electrons. Then we have to put in 7 more electrons. That will be 3d5 4s2. Okay, so here in manganese MnCN6 3 minus. Let us find its oxidation state. Let Mn be X having oxidation state X plus Cn is having minus 1 into 6 equals minus 3 overall charge. So X minus 6 equals minus 3. X equals minus 3 plus 6. This 6 when it comes to this side will be okay, X will be having plus 3 oxidation state. Now, the new electronic configuration, that is plus 3 means 3 electrons are lost from these 25 electrons of manganese. So, manganese can be represented now, Mn3 plus can be represented as argon 3d and 4s were there. It was 3d5 4s2. So 2 electrons from the 4s orbital and 1 from 3d will go. So that means it will have 3d4 configuration. So let us draw the d orbitals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, these 4 electrons we can place in the d orbitals as 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have the, so this is the 3d orbital, we have the 4s orbital and then 4p orbitals. So when the cyanide ions approach the central metal atom, let us see what will happen to the electrons. When the cyanide ligands are approaching the central metal atom, the electrons, cyanide ligands are strong ligands. So the 4 electrons, of these 4 electrons, 2 will get paired up like this and the other 2 will remain like this. Now we have the 4s here and the 4p here. So the cyanide ligands can occupy these positions. How many cyanide ligands are there? 6 of them are there. So 6 cyanide ligands are approaching and 2 electrons got paired up and there are 2 unpaired electrons left here. So the cyanide ligands will come in here. It will be a D2sp3 hybridization. D2sp3. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 3, 6. So the 6 cyanide ligands can come in here. So that will be a D2sp3 hybridization with 2 unpaired electrons. Now what about MnCl6? Let us write MnCl6 3 minus. Let X be the oxidation state of Mn. Then chloride is having X plus Cl. Chloride is having -1, 6 of them. Overall charge -3. So X minus 6 equals -3. When you take this -6 to the other side, X equals -3 plus 6, that is equal to +3 oxidation state, same as before. Then it will have the, that is Mn3 plus, will be having the electronic configuration of argon 3d4. The 3 electrons will go from 2 electrons from s orbital, 4s orbital, and 1 from the 3d orbital. So it will be left with 3d4. It will be like this. Four electrons. So this is the 3d orbital. Now we have the 4s here, 4p here, (4d) here. Now when the 6 chloride ligands are approaching the central metal atom, we can see what is happening. Six chloride ions are approaching, but the chloride ions are not strong, they are weak field ligands. So these 4 electrons won't get paired up. These 4 electrons will remain like this only, and 6 chloride ions need to be, or chloride ligands have to be accommodated. So how many positions will you need? This is left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be sp3d2. That is, this is 4s. Then we have the 4p and 4d. So that will be sp3d2. So here chloride ions will occupy these positions. It will be a sp3d2 hybridization with how many unpaired electrons? 4 unpaired electrons. So see the difference. In MnCn6 times 3 minus, there are 2 unpaired electrons, whereas in MnCl6 3 minus, there are 4 unpaired electrons. This will definitely be paramagnetic.